Hi guys, it's Angradin here and welcome to the next Python lesson with me. And it's lesson number 3, and on our program actually it's lesson 1.4, so don't be afraid. So lesson 1 was covered in lesson 1, lesson 1.1.2.1.3 was covered in the lesson 2, which you can catch up watching those lessons on my channel. Now, starting with the lesson 1.4, you are welcome to do this with me, or you can watch first and do that at your own time. So in this lesson we start from something called modulus. What is this modulus? Anyone knows? I'll give you a few moments to think about it. This is something which is very strange, but in simplest terms, the modulus operator, which is expressed by percentage sign, okay, shows the remainder that would result from division of two numbers. The easiest way is to see that on the example. So let's say we want to do 11 modulo 2. What do you think? What would be the outcome? The outcome will be 1. I will see it's 1. And what would be modulo 10 module 2? It will be what? 0. Why is that? Because 10 is an even number and it's divided by 2. It's 5. If you divide 11 by 2, it's 5.5. So 5 and 5 goes 10. And what's left? 1 left. Okay, so let's see on the example we have over here. So if we do the modulo 8b and we have modulo AC. Now it's a good time to guess the outcomes. So you see it's a 3 and 0. Okay, why it's 3 and why it's 0? Let's say for the easy one. So this one, 2 multiplied by 4, it's 8, and there's nothing left. Yes, 2 times 4, 8, nothing left, that's why it's 0. Now 5 multiplied by what give you 8? It won't. So what you can do, you can multiply 5 by 1, it's 5, and what's left to 8 is 3. Okay? I know it is a bit confusing, but that's how the modulo works. Okay, let's see maybe a few more examples. So let's say 100 modulo 9. Okay? Print. Now, who knows what would be the outcome? Let's check. It's 1. Why it's 1? Again, 100 divided by 9. What equals? Anyone knows what that will be the outcome? That outcome is 11, yes? And what we left is 1. Okay, so another example. Let's say 14 modulo You see, the outcome is 2, because 14 divide okay. Let's see, we have to learn. Because 14 divided by 12 will give you 1.1666, so it's 1.2. So the remainder is 2. Okay? So again, other way, how you can look at it is how many 12s is in 14? It's a 1/12, yes? So 1 multiplied by 12 is 12, and what's left? 2 to 14. So there's a 2 ways to look at it. The way I explain you, or you can do the division and you can see what's left and round it. Yeah, I know it's kind of hard to understand that. Maybe it's not hard. Maybe it was for me. First time I learned about the modulo, it was wow. But the simplest thing to remember is it's a reminding of division from the two numbers. And because a modulo value of 0 shows that one number divides evenly into another, we can use it for things like checking if the numbers are odd or even, or if we search for primary numbers. And I think that we stop with this lesson here. Leave a like and subscribe. Click notification button not to miss another lesson. And see you in the next lesson. Bye.